Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to swap between two images using HTML and CSS only. No JavaScript needed, so let's get started. As you can see here, we have some basic boilerplate with a images folder with a logo SVG and a logo icon only SVG. So to start, we want to define a picture tag, and in here we want a source tag. In the source, we want to set the source with source set, and we want this to be the file path to images/logo.svg. We also want to give it a media query. In here, let's say we want it to have appear after 1025 pixels. So give it a min width, 1025 pixels, and that's that part done. Next, we need to define the icon image to appear beforehand. To do this, do an image tag, and we'll set that to the images/logo icon only SVG. We'll give it an alt tag just for the sake of it. So once we save that, we'll go to the browser. As you can see here, we're at 1061 pixels. So if we go past 1025, it swaps to the other icon. Back across, it swaps to the other picture. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. See you later.